So you've got them scratched up and ready to go. And you're going to take your contact adhesive and just put it on all the way around the rim. Give it a nice even bead. And do the same over here to the collar. It's okay if you've got a little bit extra on there. Once you push it onto the piece, you can wipe that right off. Now, these types of cements, the way that they work, you let them dry for a little while. 30 seconds to about 4 minutes is a good window of time. And so I'm going to let those sit for a second. But you also want to take your soap pump piece and get it to be the right height. So as you can see, I need to cut quite a bit off of that tube. A little bit more. I don't want it to go all the way down because remember I have to have room for the collar. And you can leave it just a little bit long so that you're sure that you're not making it too short. Now once this is set up for a few seconds, you'll notice it feels tacky. It's not going to stick to your fingers anymore. Now it's ready. So you want to take this and position it very carefully before you apply pressure. And then once you've got it exactly where you want it, you just push down. And then you can take your finger and wipe whatever excess may be on there off. Now, you don't want to screw this on right now. You want to let that sit for about 24 hours before you screw it on. The reason being that as this cement dries, it's going to be emitting fumes. And if you've got an airtight seal there, it sometimes causes the collar to pop off. So you want airflow to be able to get all the way around that for about 24 hours, and then you can screw it on and you're ready to go.